Today we will see what is the limitation of scanf for string operations. So for example, I'll start a program with the void main here, and we will see how if we want to enter a name. For example, if I say char n with the variable and with the width of 10, and for example I want to enter a name. So for example, enter the name will be the enter the name text, and generally we use scanf for it, for inputting the data in C, as you must have gone through it. So %s for the string, so m%, and we say n is a variable with it. And for example, now I just want to print it. So this is the basic operation for the string operation. So I say n is a variable. So yes, if I just try to run the code, yes, it will give you one error, that is your header file is missing. So we will just go with the one header file which you must have done in your classes, that is stdio.h, that is standard input output.h. That's it for the printf or scanf. So just if you compile the program, and you will see if I enter any name, it should display that name. So for example, if I am entering a name Annie, and if I enter, and it is going to display me the name. And if I just try to run the code again, and if I enter the name Minnie, so it is displaying the value Minnie for it. But what if I'm just trying to enter any name which is with a surname? So for example, if I'm saying Minnie XYZ or a particular surname, so if I enter, it will not display me the after space characters, it is just displaying the before space characters. So this is the problem which is with the scanf when you are using the strings. So what is the thing which we have to go with, or what is the you can say alternate for it to get rid of from this type of thing, that whenever I want the, for example, I can enter the address, I can enter the with the spaces. So for example, if I'm entering some ABC with space something else, or I can just type hello, how are you, hello and how, so it is just giving me hello. So I want it should give me a complete line or complete text with the space. If I am entering without space, it is giving, but if I'm putting a space between two words, so what to do? So what I do, instead of this scanf, and this is only and only for the string purpose, what I do, I just replace this scanf with the getS. So getS, and I just put a variable name. I need not to put %s for it, because %s, as you know, the specifier for it. So if I just try to run the code, and now we will see whether the code is same for this. I'm saying, for example, hello, and with the space I'm saying how. Now I'm getting the complete string with it. So this is the basically the drawback of scanf for the strings, and this is how we can implement it. So I think many of the students have these type of problems when they are, and this is an interview level question. They can ask you in an interview that if there is a complete text I want to enter, what will be the function for it? So you can't use scanf, you have to use getS. Hope you like this video. If you really like this content, please put a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the questions like that in my next chapter of the video. Thank you so much.